welcome back to my channel. I'm Faye and today I'm really excited to talk about a brand that I've been seeing more and more of lately, Goyard. Now, if you are anything like me, you probably love bags that are not only beautiful but also have a story and a bit of mystery behind them. And that's exactly why Goyard bags are becoming so popular. Unlike some of the more mainstream luxury brands, Goyard keeps things low-key and there's no flashy marketing, no big celebrity endorsement. You can't even buy them online. But that's part of what makes owning a Goyard feel so special and honestly a little exclusive. More and more people are gravitating toward this brand because it feels like a hidden gem in the luxury world. So let's start with a bit of history. Goyard is one of the oldest and most prestigious luxury brands, dating all the way back to 1853. It's known for its discretion and exclusivity, and Goyard doesn't market heavily, and you won't find their products online, adding to that elusive appeal. But with such a hefty price tag, is the Artois PM truly worth it? Let's find out. Alright, let's start with the design and materials. The Artois PM is made from Goyard's iconic Goyardine canvas, which is lightweight, water resistant and durable. The design features this instantly recognizable chevron pattern, but it's more understated compared to, say, Louis Vuitton's monogram bags. And it also has this zipped closure that you can see here, which is rare but highly practical feature in this luxury tote, because if you are someone who's always on the go and feels that need of extra security, this is one of the game changer, I would say. And in addition, these leather handles are really sturdy and comfortable, although they aren't adjustable, which might be a downside for some, but overall it's lightweight and super easy to carry around. And now let's talk about the functionality. The Artois PM is the perfect size for a medium tote. It's great for everyday use, whether you are running errands or heading to work. However, there's one big catch, and the interior is actually pretty minimal, that you can see here. As you can see, there's no extra compartment and no dividers, just one small pocket here. Let's see here. So this is the extra pocket, and you can actually open it and put some small stuff in here, like wallet, keys, or some lipstick and cards and so on. So it's actually quite handy, and you might consider an organizer if you need that extra organization. The bag itself is really roomy, and you can fit your essential wallet, phone, keys, and even a tablet or 13-inch laptop. It's a bag that doesn't scream luxury, but those who knows, they know. So if you are someone who values exclusivity and doesn't want a bag that every other person has, this definitely checks the box. Also, you won't find this bag everywhere, and it's not a trend-driven bag, so it will age very well. Alright, let's quickly break down the pros and cons of this Artois PM bag. So let's start with the pros. I will quickly go through the ones that I have experienced during these 2 years of using the bag. Firstly, it's durable and water resistant. This Goyardine canvas is tough and can handle most of the elements, and I would say that it's just a few scratches here and there, but this bag has really been used and abused quite a lot, and I have fit in so much things inside. I would say that the handles are really durable, because I have had some heavy stuff when using it daily, and I can see a little bit of marks here on these sides, but other than that, I mean, it looks in very good condition even after 2 years of usage. And secondly, I really love the zipped closure. It makes the bag really secure and practical, because compared to many tote bags out there, there's very few that actually have a zipped closure. So really love that with this bag. This bag is also really lightweight. Even when full, it doesn't weigh you down. The weight of the bag itself is only 460 grams, which is very light. It's not leather, so basically it's much lighter. The bag's dimension is 31 centimeter wide on the top and 24 centimeter in height. The top handle drop is 20 centimeter and the width is around 14 centimeter. And now let's talk about the cons. Firstly, it's quite expensive for what it is. This is definitely an investment piece with a price tag to match it. And for the price for this darling, I remember that I spent like 1,800 euros for it, but that was 2 years ago. So the price might have increased a little bit, but I don't believe it have increased more than 20% in during this time. So if any of you knows the price at the moment, please feel free to comment below. And secondly, it has a limited availability. If you don't live near a Goyard boutique, getting your hands on one of these can be tricky. And it has minimal organization because the interior is just one big open space with no compartments, and the handles aren't adjustable. While it's quite comfortable, you can't really change the strap length, which could be a downside for some people who needs a little bit more space. And for the final question, is the bag worth it? And honestly, it depends on what you are looking for. If you want a versatile, practical tote that's understated yet luxurious, then the Artois PM is a fantastic option. The zip closure is a game changer for security and the craftsmanship is top notch. Plus, there's something about owning a Goyard bag that feels a little extra special. But if you need more interior organization or a bigger size, you might want to explore other options. But basically, this bag is in the same price group as Louis Vuitton Neverfull bags. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of bag reviews and follow my life here in Stockholm, then please make sure to subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye bye!